Hi, I'm Juanita from the Washburn Library, and today we're going to be talking about Freegal. Freegal is a free music service from your library. All you need is your library card and your PIN. It offers access to about 15 million songs and over 40,000 music videos, and you don't have to download any software either, though access to Freegal is limited to patrons of our library. So to access Freegal, we're going to go to the BotchSpringsPublicLibrary.org webpage. We're going to go ahead and scroll all the way down until you see Freegal. You can either click on the letters or on the picture. I'm going to go ahead and click on the picture. And as you can see, I am already logged in. Usually there will be a login button instead of a log out button. Once you click that, you're going to go ahead and put in your library card number and your PIN number. Your PIN number is usually the last 4 digits of your Texas ID or your driver's license. And if you need any help figuring that out, you can always call the Bosch Springs Library and we'll be more than happy to provide that information to you. So now that we're at Freegal and we're logged in, we're just going to go ahead and look around. So the home page, it has a couple of featured playlists and songs, albums, and music videos. We're going to go ahead and go to the Browse tab. We're going to look over here. As you can see, there's top playlists. There's Valentine's Day playlist because it is the month of February. They have top songs, what's trending, top albums, music videos, and they also even have audiobooks. We're going to go ahead and click on your arrivals. It has new playlists, new songs that have just entered Freegal, new stuff, new albums. You can even look by genres. Top genres and even additional genres, so you can find what you're looking for. You can look through by playlists, by artists. You can look through music videos and audiobooks. So today I'm going to be showing you how to stream music. I already know which artist I want to stream from. We're going to go ahead and type them in. I'm going to click on the artist tab and the album that I want to listen to. And go ahead and click on one of these songs, and as you can see, I've already used up a couple of my 3 hours because it is limited. I'm going to go ahead and click on one of the songs. This pops up at the bottom. It has your usual toggles, your play, pause, next, previous, shuffle, your cue right at the end of all of that. And as you can see, the timer is going, or it should be going, because every time you play a song, it counts towards your 3 hours. And those 3 hours are daily 3 hours, so at midnight they does reset for the next day. So what I want to show you next is the downloads. So as you can see at the top, I've already used a couple of my downloads. There's a maximum of 3. I have 1 download left, and I'm going to go ahead and click on one of these. We're going to go ahead and download my download. And click download. As you can see, it has download 0, so I cannot download anything else until next week on Monday at midnight, and they do reset every week. So if I wanted to download the rest of this album, it would take me another week, and I can burn it on a CD, make a mix, put it on my iPod and all that, and they are all saved on your downloads folder. So now that we have that done, I'm going to go ahead and show you this next tab, My Music. We're going to go ahead and click it, and as you can see, these are all the songs I have downloaded. You may re-download these songs up to 2 additional times, and once you've downloaded twice, the titles do disappear from your list because they're no longer available to you. I'm going to go ahead and show you the FAQ. There's 3 little dots right at the top of the page. We're going to click on it. We're going to hit FAQ, and if you have any other questions about Freegal, there is this page that you can refer back to. And Freegal is also available on your iOS and Android devices, so you can go ahead and download it. It's the same process, log in with your card number and your PIN number. That's everything for this video. I hope you learned something, and I hope you have a nice day.